I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock on Charles Schwab. First, securely log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Trade or Trading section, usually found in the top menu or sidebar. This is where you'll initiate all your stock purchases. Make sure your account has sufficient funds before proceeding. Next, use the search bar to find the stock you wish to buy, typically by its ticker symbol. Once you've found it, take some time to review its details. Look at the company's financials, recent performance, and any news. This research helps you make an informed decision that aligns with your investment strategy and comfort with risk. Now it's time to place your order. Enter the stock's ticker symbol and the number of shares you want to buy, for example, 100 shares. Select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Also, choose the order duration, like good till canceled. Before you finalize, carefully review all the details of your order. Double-check the stock symbol, the number of shares, the order type, and the total estimated cost. If everything looks correct, confirm the trade to submit your purchase. You can then monitor the status of your order in your account's activity or order history section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.